Ever wondered what it's really like to drive in a city where street is an adventure? Forget smooth commute and links. Get ready for a day in Onitsha, where dodging creators is a sport and Pothole paradise is a less of a joke and more of a daily reality. Think you're a good driver? Let's see how you do fare here. Ending of 2023/2024 and earlier this year, 2025, some major roads under construction within Onitsha axis were completed, but this particular road remains untouched up until now. Stay to the end of this video. Let's take you on an unfiltered ride through this Onitsha infamous road. This is Oga Street. It has a direct connection to the Pothole road. The road was reconstructed and completed not more than a year ago, while this particular Oga Street has remained untouched. So we started this filming from the side that has direct connection to the Pothole road, taking you down to the angle that has another connections with the another link road, taking you to Headbridge, Niger Street, and Ochanja axis. So kindly stick to the end of this video and watch through all this video to see everything for yourself. We're gonna be showing you what the tricycle people pass through here on a daily basis just to use this route. So, and I'll also be telling you for free that if you are the person that has been applying this road on a daily basis, you notice that you usually get a free massage, and if you have not used the road, kindly do so to get your own free massage as well. So aside from this particular Oga Street, we also be taking you on another angle, and that particular one is at a deplorable state, very worse than this what you are seeing here, like what you are currently seeing here. That's one we are taking you to. After this particular one is worse than this. So that one is along that Greeks road, heading to Bida and Modebe axis, in front of Udmeje Church. So that is where you find another place. That particular one is gonna give you a free massage, not just a free massage, and also a body pain at the same time. So this is the looks of the Oga Street, and up until now, I'm yet to understand why all the connecting road within this Oga Street has been asphalted, why this particular one has been has left untouched. So if you head towards the back that I'm telling you, you're gonna see that that particular road linking you to Niger Street, Headbridge, and to the one taking you to Ochanja was re-asphalted. And if you get to some certain point, there are re-asphalting stops also, then continue. So they kind of jump some sections, re-asphalt some sections, and we will show you everything on this video. And if you know the reason why this particular houses has not been re-asphalted or reconstructed, kindly drop them via our comment sections. As you are watching through the video, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. So as you are watching, you're gonna be seeing things for yourself, and how the environment is currently looking like. And another thing I want to comment on here is the condition of the drainage system. I mean, the gutters is not being cleared, is as dirty as whatever you can think of, with the amount of sand on the road is very alarming. Even the just completed Pothole road is not looking like something that was completed a year ago. The whole place has been littered with sand. Even the walkway that it came with has been washed out by rain or by foot, I don't know. But the place is not looking so nice at all. I have the video of that Port Harcourt road recently on my channel. I think either earlier this year or ending of last year, I did a filming along that road to show you what the place is looking like just barely after 1 year of of completion. So the place is not looking nice, and I think what causes those heavy sand on that road is because of some of this major road that has not been completed or re-asphalted, and it has a direct link to some of those roads. So any motorist applying on this one must surely, use the other one, so you know how it goes. And no sweeping is being done around this place. Even at this back that we are currently approaching right now, we see everything was safe. It was recently re-asphalted also, and the place has also been littered with sand. No sweeping is going on there. The gutters is not being touched or cleaning. Nothing at all is currently going on within the gutters around here. So everything is just looking so dirty. It's looking so unkept around this environment, just like the old Ochanja, I would say, just like the old Ochanja. So as you can see over here, this particular one you are watching will take you to Niger Street and can as well take you to Head Bridge axis. And then this is where we are coming from, which is the Street. This is Duga Street, and if I turn around again, like if I turn my left again, which is the one you are seeing right now, then now we are heading towards Onitsha Stadium and towards Ochanja, and that's a Creeks axis. So as you watch inside the gutters around here, you can see the looks of gutter. No cleaning is happening here. Bushes has covered some part of them. Debris and the rest, even sand, are already occupying inside the drainage system. And with this around this area, you can notice that if there is any heavy rainfall around here, even though the road is asphalted, the road won't last, because I think it will be washed out even before you think of it. So, and it has this very bad smell around this area because of the dirty waters inside the drainage system. Nothing is being done about it. So you can see where I just showed you before was re-asphalted. After that roundabout, the re-asphalting stops, and over here no re-asphalting was done around this axis. So no re-asphalting was done around this axis. So at some point, immediately you cross this 6th Avenue road, where we are approaching now is the 6th Avenue road. So this is 6th Avenue, the straight road, but this one opposite us is where we are coming from. This one by my right hand side you are watching right now is the 6th Avenue heading down like this. So if I turn around, which I did, this is the fence of the Onitsha Stadium, and this road is taking us to that Creeks road, and the one linking to Ochanja. So all these axes we are not re-asphalted, and they are currently going bad. I witnessed some potholes around here, so they are currently going bad gradually. It was okay before, but it's already need maintenance, so it's gradually going from bad to worst gradually. Not that it is now looking like that of Fuga or this Bida road. So this is the Creeks road. Once we cross over, I will show you the rest of the road and how the place is currently looking like, down to the one that have given you access to the Modebe Avenue. So this one will take you to Ochanja. So this is the state of this road. This place is just looking not that very bad, but it's very bad. So the thing is, when this particular roundabout was completed, was being under construction, and up until it was completed, I was hoping that back then that once this thing is completed, this road will be reconstructed, maybe re-asphalted or something, to give the place a very nice look and beautification that it deserves. But since then, nothing was done at all. The place has been looking like this, and it's going from bad to worse. It's going from bad to worse. And if nothing is done about this road after this raining season, if we enter another raining season, I don't think any motorists will like to apply here anymore, because I've been in tricycle applying on this road, and my experience is an ugly one. Once you are inside tricycle applying this road, you're gonna witness a lot, from free massage to body pains and to everything. Like the tricycle applying this road, or motorists applying it, I'm telling you, they are passing through hell. You can see how the whole tricycle is jangling and jangling. So this is the Odumeje, in front of Odumeje church. By now you may have seen the full view of the church. So, but I'm not here for the church, I'm here for the road. So looks and see the condition of this particular road. Honestly, is very, very bad. And if you leave this axis going towards that Modebe axis, Modebe was reasphalted, was patched, not reasphalted. It was patched. Some section of it was, patched, but the one going to Bida has not been touched, and this one has not been touched. Then the one coming from, taking you to maybe Ochanja axis or Silas, Silas Street or something. I think it was not reasphalted. Maybe the road is still okay, but at some point the road is still very, very bad, which I forgot to visit that axis when I make this filming. So you see everything for yourself and see that this current road needs urgent attention. So guys, this is where I'm going to be ending this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do so. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back, and thank you for your massive support. If you're a newcomer to the channel, thank you for locating us. Don't forget to subscribe, and over here we take you on a ride within some to show you some government projects going on within Southeast, and also take you on a very smooth journey, travel vlog and the rest. Thank you. Bye.